Hey there, you must be new here. Welcome. I'm Nick Altimore, and this is SirLinksalot. Let me give you a little roundabout idea of what you can find here. Now, here specifically on YouTube below us, you're going to find a bunch of educational resources that we put out absolutely free. This includes full-on SEO courses, a weekly podcast that we do with our friend Artemis. I'll be doing case studies and things of that nature. But basically, if it's got anything to do with SEO or digital marketing in general, you can find a video on it down here. Feel free to search around, browse. We've definitely put out information that a lot of people are charging for in courses. Furthermore, you can head over to our website, sirlinksalot.co. We're going to find a blog full of, again, free informational resources, free SEO-based tools, and of course, products that we do actually sell, including managed link building, where you'll have a dedicated customer service rep that does monthly reporting for you based on everything they did on your backlinking campaign. So if backlinking is a little confusing to you, we've got you covered there. Again, with full reporting, no additional costs, and we work with your budget to ensure we're getting exactly what we need based on an audit of your site that we do every single month, again with full reporting. Furthermore, you can head over to Facebook where you're going to find our group, the SEO Round Table. Me and the team are active on there all the time, but we've also got thousands of group members ready and willing to help out, share information daily, and all in all, just have a good time. I think that's about all I need to plug here as far as a intro statement goes. I really hope you find these resources valuable and they help you on your endeavors. We'll be seeing you around. Thanks for showing up.